Now, last topic for our this chapter is applications of determinants and matrices. Okay, one of the application we have already gone through, that was to find area of a triangle. Okay, now we are having solution of system of linear equations by matrix method. Now let's see what we have to do with the matrix method and what we have done earlier also. Okay, so what you did earlier, we have gone through a topic, it was consistency and inconsistency. Consistency and inconsistency of system of linear equation. Okay, now what you have done in class 10th, you have gone for this part. Okay, we were having a system of a linear equations with two variables. In class 10th we were having two variables. Now what the cases were? Their cases were, if linear equations, if the equation is consistent, then it has a unique solution. Then it has a unique solution. Okay, and if you remember, it was if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then it was having a unique solution. Now, second thing was, if equation is inconsistent, then we were having two results. Number one was equations has no solution. Equation has no solution. Number two, equations have infinite many solutions. So we, for the consistent part, a unique solution. For the inconsistent part, no solution or infinite many solutions. Okay, so these things which we have already done in class 10th. Now here in our this topic, we have to go this with determinants. Okay, so now for the determinant part, what we can do it? For the determinant part, we are having, now suppose we are having in the determinant, let it be case 1. Case 1 is determinant of A is not equal to 0. Now what terms we are using? If determinant of A is not equal to 0, then A is invertible. Okay, we can find the inverse. Okay, so when determinant of A is equal to 0, then system of linear equations has a unique solution. Has a unique solution. Case 2. Case 2 is if determinant of A is equal to 0, then system of linear equations has, number 1, no solution, number 2, infinite many solution. Infinite many solutions. Now we are having simple thing, simple funda is there. Determinant A is not equal to 0, unique solution. Determinant of A is equal to 0, then either no solution or infinite many solutions. So what to do with these two things, which is infinite many solutions and which is no solution? For this part, what we have to do, we have to find first, now we have to find adjoint of A with B. Find this one. Now here two cases arises. Now case 1. Case 1 is adjoint of A with B. If result is 0, then no solution. Then system of linear equations has no solution. Okay. And case 2. Case 2, if adjoint of B is not equal to 0, then system of equations has infinite many solutions. Okay, so these were the simple fundas for this introduction part, that when the systems are consistent and when the systems are not consistent. Okay, so after doing this part, now we are just going to step for some depth in this topic.